Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss the types of tree traversal. First one is the pre-order traversal. In pre-order traversal, to read the binary tree in the pre-order format. Pre-order format means firstly we consider as root, then left, then right. Okay. In pre-order, first of all we consider means firstly we read root, then left side of the root, then right side of the root. Okay, here R for root and R for right. So here we display root as a plus sign, then L, then R. Clear? Root, left, right. Firstly we write the root of the tree, then we go to the left side of the tree, then after right side of the tree. In post order, firstly we read left, right, then root. Okay, post order, root at the last, left, right, then root. In order, left, root, right. This is the order to traverse a binary tree. Let's see the pre-order traversal. Pre-order means root, left, right. This is the way to travel in a binary tree. Okay. So, if we say what is the pre-order traversal of this tree. So, first of all we write the root. Root of the tree is A. Clear? After this we move to the left side of the tree. We move left side of the tree. Left side, here we find a node that is B is performing as a root because it's also having the child node. Okay, so B is considered as a root. We write here B is a root. Then again we go to the left side of the B node. So here is the D. Left side node is D. Here is no branches and no other branches are there to D. So we write the left side of the tree, that is D. Clear? After performing this, we move to the right side of the B node. Right side of the B node is E. But E also having a child node. So it's work as a root node. It's work as a root node. So firstly we write here E. After this we move to the left side of the tree, that is H. Clear? This is the part of this side, root to left side traversal. After performing the left side traversal, we move to the right. Firstly we write root, then we go to left side of the root, then after writing all the elements, reading all the elements, we move to the right side of the tree. Right side. We move to right side of the tree. Here is the C. C also having the nodes, so C work as a root. C work as a root, so we write here C. Okay. Then after we move to the left side of the node. Left side of the node, here is F. There is no more node is there. So we write simply F here. After this we move to the right side of the node C. Here is G node. G also having the left side node. So G node is work as a root node. So firstly we write the root node. After this, in left side of G node is I. We write simply I. So this is the traversal of the right side of the tree. This is the pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal of the given tree. It's a A, B, D, E, H, C, F, G, I. This is the pre-order traversal. Firstly we read root node, then we go to left side of the tree, then after right side of the tree. Clear? Let's see another example. This is the structure of a tree. We have to find the pre-order traversal of this tree. Okay, pre-order traversal means firstly we write the root node of the tree. Firstly we write root, that is A. After this we move to the left side of the tree. Here B node. B node having the child node. So B node working as a root node. So here we write root as a B. Then we move to the B node to left side. Node of the B to the left side, that is D. D is also work as a root node because D node also having the node branch. So D is a work as a root node. So firstly we write the root, then move to the left side of the root node, that is M. Okay, M, left side M. So here we write M. Then we move to the right side of D node. Here is no element is there. So we move to the next node, that is B. B node right side is E. Okay, E is also having the node. So E is considered as a root node. So here we write root node, that is E. Then we move to the left side of the E node. Here is no element. So we move to the right side of E node, that is G. Simply we write G. Okay, after performing the left side traversal, we move to the right side of the root A. Here right side C. C also having a node. So C considered as a root node. Here we write C. Firstly we write root, then left, then right. We move to the left side of the node. Here is F. F also having the branch. So F node considered as root node. So here we write F. After writing F, we move to the left side of the F node. Here is no element. So we move to the right side of F node. Here is H element. So here we write H element. This is the traversal of pre-order of the given tree. I hope this traversal is clear to all of you.